So this is a slip stitch hem finish. The first thing I have done is to press up my hem 1/4 of an inch and then 1/2 an inch to create a clean finish on the inside this tube. And then we're going to take a tiny little pick, only a couple threads so it barely shows from the front, and then that's our first half of the stitch, and then the second half is to travel inside this tube and to come back out. So the goal of this is to have a very low profile stitch from both the front and the back of the fabric, so that when you have another few stitches, you'll barely see it both from the front and from the back. So again, a tiny little pick from the front and traveling inside the tube to come out. You can see on the face, you can barely see those little tiny picks.